Hi, I'm Sunday Riley, and I'm the CEO, founder, and formulator for Sunday Riley Modern Skincare. I'm super excited to be expanding into the entire GCC with Sephora Middle East. So the philosophy of the brand is science-based skincare balanced by botanicals for healthy, glowing skin. And I'm a big believer as a product formulator that you need 3 ingredients in your life no matter what your skin type is. And that's going to be an alpha hydroxy acid, a retinol, and a vitamin C product. So because of that, I'm gonna walk you through Good Genes, which is a lactic acid serum. I'm gonna walk you through A+ and Luna for our retinol family, and for C.E.O Serum and C.E.O Glow Oil for our vitamin C. And we're gonna finish it with autocorrect to really brighten the dark circles under your eyes. Good Genes is our alpha hydroxy acid lactic acid serum. And what that's going to do is it's going to actually go in and micro exfoliate the surface of your skin for instant radiance. It's also going to help decongest the skin by removing all the pore clogging debris on the surface of your skin, which is also going to help give you the appearance of smaller pores because it really gets everything out and off of your skin, which is amazing. It's also been clinically proven to plump the look of fine lines around your eyes in just 3 minutes. The texture is really this lightweight serum that goes into any skin type. And it's really easy. You can see it just blends in very quickly. And all of that is just pure radiance. It's not oily at all. It's great for every single person, all skin types, whether you're 15 or you're 85, dry skin, oily skin, acne prone, never had acne at all. The next thing that I say everyone really needs to have is a retinol in their life. So A+ is our high dose retinoid serum and Luna is our retinol oil. They're both phenomenal. They both use a retinol ester, which is just as effective as retinol, but 90% less irritating. So you get all of the benefits of retinol, but none of the downtime. So that's amazing. Retinol is gonna really help you to really regenerate your skin. The whole point of alpha hydroxy acids with Good Genes is that it cleans from the top down. So it removes the top surface gunk and brings it down. Retinoids do the opposite. They build beautiful skin from the bottom up. So you can imagine something from the top down and the bottom up, meet in the middle, and you have beautiful, radiant, healthy, glowing skin. And that's what we all want to have. So this is also great for dark spots and pigmentation, which you're going to get here in the Middle East from sun exposure. And that's going to be a big deal. And it's great for just, everyone wants to build beautiful, healthy collagen and to have really nice, plump skin. So this is great. This one is this beautiful yellow color, and that's actually the color of retinol. So it goes into your skin really easily. Again, it's a non-oily serum, all skin types. We have beautiful, beautiful clinicals that are great for wrinkling, but also actually great for acne because people don't realize, but acne is caused from having so much dead skin within your pores and then the acne bacteria being on the surface really eating into that. So you want to really get rid of all those skin cells, and retinol is a really critical element to do that. And then Luna is really neat because Luna has all of that great retinol in it, but it's this dark blue color. And part of that comes from blue tansy and German chamomile, which are essential oils, which are gonna help really soothe the skin. So you can see that dark color, but when you rub it in, it goes from blue to sheer. And that's what we say when you know you're in the clear. So all the retinol has been locked in whenever you've rubbed it in enough for it to actually be clear on your skin. So perfect. I recommend using retinoids at night, and you're gonna add this into your routine either after you clean your skin. You're gonna put this on before your Good Genes. You can also put on after your Good Genes. The next thing everyone needs in their routine is a great, stable vitamin C product. So both of our C.E.O Serum and our C.E.O Glow use a form of vitamin C called tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, or what we call THD ascorbate, which is a huge word, I know, but it's a vitamin C derivative. And when it goes into the skin, it actually converts to ascorbic acid, and it's this beautiful snow white color. And that's important because a lot of vitamin C's actually turn brown or yellow, and that's when they're oxidizing. But this, with this beautiful white color, you can see it's never been oxidized, which is really, really, really critical to make it effective. Now, this form of vitamin C is also really special. It goes into the skin a lot deeper. It's oil soluble, which is going to be really important to penetrate your skin. But it's also a quasi-drug in Asia at 3%. So for reference sake, in our C.E.O serum, it's at 15%. And it's a quasi-drug for brightening the skin. So brightening the dark spots, the age spots, and the sunspots that are on your skin, all that hyperpigmentation. 15%, that's 5 times what it would have to be in Japan to be considered a drug. That's huge. And C.E.O Glow is our oil version. It's in at 1%. Now, the thing is, because it's in an oil form, it's going to go in really deep. So that 1% is actually going so deep, it really, really packs a punch. Plus, this is also balanced with turmeric, which is one of my favorite superfoods. It's this great antioxidant product. And what I like to do in the morning is I actually take 1 pump of this and a few drops of this. I mix it in the palm of my hand and I apply it to my skin. and then I go and have my morning coffee. It's so easy. Everyone has time to do that, and you have instant radiance and all-day protection. My final step in my morning routine is autocorrect, depuffing, and brightening eye serum. So this is amazing. You actually apply it under makeup or on top of makeup throughout the day. I put it on first thing, and it really depuffs the eye area with caffeine and horse chestnut. So I always say it's like a cup of coffee for the eyes, so you look rested and awake. And then it reflects the light, so you really camouflage those dark circles, which I'm actually really prone to. And I have 4 kids, so I'm always tired, so this is really critical to getting rid of that. But you put it on in the morning, again, underneath your makeup. You can apply it during the day on top of it, and you stay rested and healthy looking all day long. Every single person needs a lactic acid serum, a retinol, a vitamin C, and something to brighten and depuff their eye area in the mornings. Thank you so much for viewing. Please comment below. We'd love to read it and to help and communicate with you. And again, subscribe to the Sephora Middle East channel. Comment, like, subscribe, share, everything. Thank you again. Bye.